Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let us start the first practice paper. So here the question number 1 says, if the nth term of an AP arithmetic progression an is equal to 24 minus 3n, then its second term is dash. Okay, so they have given nth term. So in this chapter we have a formula for an, right, and Sn. You have to remember that. When we are going to solve such question, I will let you know. But here, see, they have given nth term directly. An is 24 minus 3n. This is nth term. Now, they have asked what is its second term. So at the place of n, you have to write just 2. So this become a2, which is equal to 24 minus 3. N means 3 into n. So I'll write here into 2. So this is 24 minus 6. How much is this? 18, correct? So this is the second term, 18. So option number A is correct. So in exam, if you get question like this, don't look for the options first. First solve it by yourself, then look into the options. Okay, now you got the answer as 18. So in your exam, you have to write like this. Question number 1, answer is option number A, 18. That's all. If you write this full, then answer, that is also fine. If you write only the question and option and answer, even that is fine. It is up to you. Got it? Any doubt? So this is the type of question you can expect. Okay, coming to the second question. Do you have any doubt, guys, in the first question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so let us start the second one. The question is, the lines represented by 2x plus 3y minus 9 equals to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0 are dash. So can you tell me the chapter name, if you
Pair
know?
of linear equations.
Yeah, this is from pair of linear equation. Okay, so you have to look at the equation. I will write it here. 4x plus 6y minus 18 equals to 0. See, to identify the types of line, then number of solutions, and also the name of equations, you have a relation. Okay, if you know the relation, you can solve all these three types. What is the relation? See, you know the equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. These are a pair of linear equation. Now we have this relation a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, right? So see here, you just remember this trick, CID. You know this term CID, right? Have you heard this term CID? Crime Investigation
Yes,
Department. Yeah, so you can easily remember. I'm going to tell you what is this. Okay, next is IPC. IPC, Indian Penal Code. You have to just write below CID. Now see, what is this I? I is intersecting lines. You know, this is the intersecting line. P is parallel line, correct? And C is coincident line. If two lines are together, we call them coincident line. I is intersecting, P is parallel, C is coincident. Now see, for intersecting, these two are not equal. Okay, this is not needed. The first two are not equal. Now for parallel, the first two are equal and the third one is not equal. Got it? And for coincident line, all the three are equal. So you just have to remember this relation and this trick. What is this trick? See, I represents intersecting line. So if you look at intersecting line, at how many points it is touching each other? Only one. So it has only one solution. Parallel lines, are they touching anywhere? No. So it has no solution. Now coincident line, both of the lines are together, means one is coinciding the other, so it is touching it many ways, so it has many solutions or infinite solution. Got it? So if you know this relation, you can answer the type of line it represents and also the number of solution it represents. Now what about this CID? See, C represent consistent. This is also important. I represent inconsistent. Inconsistent. And D represent dependent. Dependent. Again C, dependent, consistent. So they may ask sometime, which type of equation is this? Whether it is consistent or inconsistent. So if it is this intersecting line, it is consistent. Or if it is coincident, even then it will be dependent and consistent. It will be inconsistent only in the case of parallel. Got it? So you have to remember this thing. Definitely there will be one question, either on the form of lines or number of solution or the name of equation. So based on that we have a question here. Okay, they have asked the lines, so you have to just write this 2 by 4, coefficient of x. Next, coefficient of y, 3, and here it is 6. Here minus 9, constant, and this is minus 18. And you have to simplify. You will get 1 by 2 here, again 1 by 2, again 1 by 2. All of 3 have the same value, 1 by 2. So it is the third case, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. All of them are equal. It means it is a which type of line? Can you answer?
Coincident.
Yeah, coincident line. And if it is coincident, if the question was tell how many solutions it has, so it has many solutions. And if the question was what is the name of the equation, it is dependent and consistent. Got it? So here the answer is, have they given coincident? Yes, D. So you have to write like this. Question number 2, answer is option number D, coincident line. See, there is only one question here, but I am trying to tell the type of questions which can be asked. Got it? I hope you are getting my point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with one question, you are going to learn many other types. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll go to the next question. Question number 3. So what is the question? If P of A is equal to 0.05, then P of A bar is dash. So which type of, which chapter is this? Can you answer?
Probability, sir.
Yeah, it is probability. Very good. Okay. So here, this is the question, correct? So we have a equation, P of an event and P of not of that event is equal to 1. Remember this. Okay. So whenever they give you question like this, one of the value is given, the second will be asked. So you have to always subtract it from 1. 1 minus 0.05. So it is 0.95. Right? This is one type. Sometime they will
Yes,
give
sir.
you, yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, see. So sometime they may give you P of A is 20%. What about P of A bar? Right? So see, here it is in the form of number. So it should be equal to 1. If it comes to percentage, it should be equal to 100%. P of A and P of A bar should be equal to 100%. So if this is 20, definitely this is going to be 80%. Right? Are you getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So here the question is 0.05. So subtract it from 1. Most of you don't know to subtract. See, if it is in decimal, you write 1.00. Now here you have 0.05. So decimal should be exactly in the same location for both. Now subtract here. 10 minus 5 is 5. This is 9. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. And 1 was 1 had gone there, so now it is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is 0.95. Option number B. So third one's answer is which one? Option number B, 0.95. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So shall we move to the
Yes,
next
sir.
question? Do you have
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt? No.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So let us start. Question number 4. See here the question is, now these were MCQ, multiple choice questions. There will be 8 multiple choice questions. I have taken the easiest. So these 3 are easiest and you are going to get it in your exam also. Similar questions. I'm not telling the same question will come. Got it? If you practice this, you will get an idea how to solve them. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
fourth question. These are 1 marks questions. Okay. It again for 1 marks also there will be 8 questions. So here I have taken the easiest ones. I think only 2 questions I have taken here. So let us see them one by one. Question number 4. Write the degree of polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus x cube plus 5. So the question is degree. Degree means the highest power of variable. Remember this. This is very important. You have to write the highest power of variable. Variable over here is x and 5 is constant. 2 is again constant. We call it as coefficient. So for variable x, what is the highest degree? Highest power? 2 or 3?
3.
3.
3.
So the answer is 3. Got it? You can write like this. Question number 5. Answer degree is 3 or equals to 3. That's all. Now see. This question can be like this. P of x is 2x square minus x plus 5 power 4. If they ask you what is the highest degree or just the degree, what will be the
4.
answer? Can you tell me?
4.
Yeah, it is wrong. Got it? It's not
2.
4. It
2.
is 2. Yes. Just now I said you have to look for the variable, not for constant. X is the variable here. So the degree of x you have to look. 5 is a constant, but here the polynomial is in the form of x. So only for x value you have to look for the degree. Got it? So don't get confused in your example. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So question number 5. Are you all understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is this useful?
Yes, sir.
Is it better than that chapter wise solutions which I was giving earlier?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll
Yes,
do
sir.
like this only. Yeah. So fifth one. Find the value of discriminant of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So this is from quadratic equation, right?
Yes,
What they
sir.
have asked? Discriminant. So what is the formula to find discriminant?
Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0.
No, that is not discriminant formula. Can
B
anyone tell
square
it?
minus 4AC.
Yeah, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, this you have to use it when the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. See, this is standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now to find discriminant, this is the formula. And this formula can be asked based on discriminant question, or same formula can be used for find the nature of roots. Okay, for both of these sometime you will get for 2 marks. So you have to remember this formula, by it, learn it well. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now you have to see what is a, b and c. See here, a is compare with this standard equation. A is the coefficient of x square, so at place of a we have got 2. B is the coefficient of x, so b here is minus 4. You have to look for sign also. If it is plus, don't write the sign, but if it is minus, you have to mention the sign as well. What is c? Constant, it is 3. So substitute in the formula. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here it is minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 into a into 3. So what is minus 4 square? Minus square is plus and 4 square is 16. So this is 16. Minus will go out. Correct? And here 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now 24 minus 16 is 8, and this is minus. You have to always subtract from the bigger number. Smaller number from bigger, and the sign of bigger number will come here. So the value of D is minus 8. If you write this much, that is fine. And coming to one more thing, if they had asked find the nature of roots for the same question, so nature of roots will be no real roots. No real roots. You guys know that, right? If D is 0, roots are real and equal, right? If D is more than 0, roots are real and distinct. Now, if D is less than 0, no real roots. So you have to remember these as well. Got it? So sometime you may get this question for 2 marks based on discriminant and nature of roots. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
So shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So let us come to 2 mark questions. So 1 marks and MCQ is done. I hope they are easy. You can easily attend them. Even the 2 marks, some of the questions are very easy. If you just remember the formula, you have to substitute and solve. It's very easy. Okay. So let us see one question. What is the question? Find the sum of first 20 terms. Sum of first 20 terms of arithmetic series 2 plus 7 plus 12 using suitable formula. Yeah, see here. When you get 2 mark question, it will be mostly based on some formula. So for formula also you have marks. If you don't get the answer, but if you write the formula, you are going to get at least half mark. Got it? So don't leave such questions. You write the data and formula at least. If you substitute, you may get half of the marks. Okay, so let me write it. Here they have given 2 plus 7 plus 12. This is the AP. And they have asked sum of first 20 terms. It means they have asked S20. See, whenever they write sum of first, so it means Sn you have to write. If they ask sum of first 15, it's become S15. If they ask sum of first 90, S90. So sum refers to Sn. It means you have to use Sn formula. Got it? But before that, from the data, you have to write these values. First term. What is first term? 2. Next common difference, D. It is A2 minus A1. So either you can write A2 minus A1 or just 7 minus 2, you will get 5. Now N. What is N? For how many terms you have to find? For 20 terms. So N is 20. Okay. Now you have to use Sn formula. What is Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So you have to bite this formula. Okay. And with the given question, you have to take this data. You have the data, substitute. So this is S20. This is 20 by 2 into 2a. What is the value of a? It is 2 plus n minus 1. So 20 minus 1 into d. What is d here?
5.
It is also 5. Correct? So see here most of you will do mistake. And what is that? See here you can solve 2 tens. This will get cancelled. So you can write 10. But here many of I have seen some students, what they will do, they will just add this. Okay, they will write 2 here, 2 plus 19 they will do. That is wrong. First do this multiplication. 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, it is 4. Plus, what is 20 minus 1? 19. 19 into 5 you have to do here. So it is how much? 19 fives are 95. Yeah. So this is 10. And now just add this 99. At last you have to do multiplication. 99 and 0 will come here. So this is S20. Sum of the first 20 terms. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the question is question number. You can mute yourself if there is no necessary to speak. Yeah, question number 7. Even this is easy. They have asked solve the following pair of linear equations by any suitable method. Any suitable method. So let me write the equation first. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. See, earlier there were around 4 methods to solve this, but this time they have deleted. Correct? Like cross multiplication is not there, and one more method was there, even that is not there. We have only 2 methods this time: solving linear equation by elimination method and substitution method. So if they mention like you have to use elimination, then you have to use elimination only. Or else if they mention like any suitable method, then out of those two, that is elimination and substitution, you can use any one. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So you have to write like this. First, let me name these equation. X plus y equals to 5. Let this equation be 1. Next, 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. Let this equation be 2. Got it? Now I will use substitution method. So equation 1 can be written as x plus y is 5. So x can be written as 5 minus y. Right? So now substitute this, whatever you got here, substitute x is equal to 5 minus y in equation number 2. See, from 1, whatever you get, substitute it in 2. Got it? Now 2 I will write here. Equation 2, what does it says? 2x minus 3y equals to 5. Now at place of x, you have to write 5 minus y. So here 2 into x. So 2 into 5
Sir, bye.
minus y minus 3y equals to 5. Right? Now, what is this? 2 5s are 10. Minus 2 into y, it is 2y. This is minus 3y equals to 5. So this is 10. Both of them are negative. So add them. 2 and 3 is 5. 5y is equal to 5. Now variable one side, number one side. So this will goes to RHS. It will become minus 10. So if you solve, this is minus 5y. Here you will get minus 5. Right? Now what is y? It is minus 5 by minus 5, which is equal to 1. So we got the value of y as 1. Got it, guys? Now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
the substitute y is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Got it? So you'll get the value of x. So here x plus y was 5. So x is how much? 5 minus y. Y we have got 1. So if you substitute, you'll get x as 4. So these are the two values. See, after getting the values, you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. How? You have these two equations. Substitute them in both of them and check it. X plus y is 5. So here x is 4, y is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you are getting here. Now check it for the other as well. 2x minus 3y is 5. So 2 into 4 minus 3 into 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So again you are getting 5. So this is only for your checking. No need of writing this in exam. Just to make sure whether your answer is right or wrong, you can use this trick. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
It's easy, right? So I have taken the
Yes, sir.
easiest questions. Okay? Yes, so now coming to our next question. I'll solve this today and then we'll start the rest in our next class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so question number 8. What does it says? Find the coordinates of point which divide the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 3:1 internally. So this is from coordinate geometry, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, they have given this. There are 2 points A and B. These two lines, if we join, they are forming a line. The coordinates of A is 4, minus 3. Coordinates of B is 8, 5. And they have told कि we have to find the coordinates of point which divide this line in the ratio 3:1. So somewhere over here there is a point x. We don't know its values. X, y is unknown, but we know it is dividing this part in the ratio 3, and here m2 in the ratio 1. 3:1. So what you have to write, see, a you write here. The value of a is 4 comma minus 3. Okay, you have to write here x1 as 4 comma y1 as minus 3. Got this? Now b coordinates is 8 comma 5. So this is x2. x2 is 8 and y2 is 5. And we have m1 as 3, m2 as 1. If you know this, you can find it easily. So using section formula, we are going to find the coordinates. So see, there is an easy trick to remember this section formula. Just look at it. You have to write x comma y is equal to, here you just write m1 plus m2 by again m1 plus m2. I'm telling a trick to remember. Again m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Are you following this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now see, this value is x and this is y, right? So here just wherever you have m1, write x2. Wherever you have m2, write x1. And here same, wherever m1, write y2. Wherever you have m2, write y1. So this becomes the formula. Are you getting it? It's
Yes,
easy to
sir.
remember,
Yes, sir.
right? Yeah, so you can easily remember this. Now substitute the values. You'll get the answer. Yes, mute yourself. So what is x2? You have to write everything in bracket. It is 8. 8 into m1 is 3. Correct. Plus m2 into x. m2 is 1 into x1. x1 is 4. Divided by m1 plus m2. 3 plus 1. Got it? Same here. y2 m1. y2 is 5. m1 is 3. Plus m2 1. y1 is minus 3. Close it. Right here 3 plus 1. Next, what is 8 into 3? 24. 1 into 4? 4. Divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 3s are 15. Plus into minus is minus. 3 1s are 3. Divided by 4. So 24 plus 4 is how much? 28.
28.
Yeah, 28 by 4 comma 15 minus 3 is 12. So 12 by 4. So if you solve them, this is 4 sevens are, so you'll get 7 here. This is 4 threes, you'll get 3 here. So these are the coordinates of x. It is 7 comma 3. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you all have understood.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yeah, so we'll stop it here. The rest question from 9 to 15, I will solve this in my next class. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
soon I'm going to upload this on my YouTube. Kindly do like, comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, guys?
Yes. Okay, sir.